Hey there, nature lovers, eco-warriors and sustainability enthusiasts. Ever wondered what are the best sustainable materials in 2025 and beyond? Well, get ready to be amazed because Mother Nature has some incredible surprises in store for us. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of natural sustainable materials that are set to change everything from 2025 onwards. These aren't just any ordinary materials, they're game changers that could revolutionize countries, cities, economies, professions, industries, lifestyles, products that we use and help save our planet. So, let's explore nature's secret sustainable materials together. Let's start with something you might not expect: mushrooms. That's right, those fungi growing in your backyard could be the key to a more sustainable future. Mushroom mycelium, the root-like structure of fungi, is being used to create packaging materials. This biodegradable alternative to plastic is strong, lightweight, and can be grown in just a few days. Imagine receiving your online orders packed in mushroom-based materials that you can compost in your garden. Next up, we have a material that's been around for centuries but is making a big comeback: hemp. Hemp is an incredibly versatile plant that can be used to make everything from clothing to building materials. It grows quickly, requires little water, and doesn't need pesticides. Hemp fibers are strong and durable, making them perfect for textiles and even car parts. Some car manufacturers are already using hemp-based composites in their vehicles to reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. And let's not forget about our classic, favorite golden fiber, that has been in use for a long time as nature's sustainable superstar, jute or burlap. Jute is a long, soft, versatile, durable, shiny plant fiber that can be spun into coarse, strong threads. Jute is a fast-growing renewable resource, and naturally decomposes. This means no more piling up in landfills or polluting our oceans. Jute plants are very low maintenance, need little water, and is practically pesticide-free. Jute can be used to create a wide range of products. From shopping bags to clothing, home decor to packaging materials. The possibilities are nearly endless. Next time you're out shopping, keep an eye out for jute products. Now, let's talk about something truly remarkable: spider silk. Scientists have been studying spider silk for years, trying to replicate its incredible strength and flexibility. Synthetic spider silk is now being produced that's stronger than steel but lighter than carbon fiber. This material could revolutionize industries from aerospace to medicine. Imagine lightweight, super strong airplane parts or medical implants that are compatible with the human body. Moving on to the world of construction, we have a surprising contender: bamboo. This fast-growing grass is incredibly strong and flexible. Bamboo can be used to build everything from houses to bridges. It's also a great carbon sink, absorbing more carbon dioxide than many tree species. In some parts of the world, entire buildings are being constructed using bamboo as the primary material. Another exciting development is in the world of bioplastics. Scientists are creating plastics from plants like corn, sugarcane, and even algae. These materials break down naturally, unlike traditional petroleum-based plastics. Imagine water bottles that disappear in a matter of months instead of centuries. Speaking of algae, this simple organism is proving to be a powerhouse of sustainability. Algae can be used to create biofuels, food supplements, and even clothing. Some companies are developing algae-based fabrics that are soft, durable, and naturally antimicrobial. These materials could revolutionize the fashion industry, offering sustainable alternatives to resource-intensive fabrics like cotton. Let's not forget about the humble coconut. Coconut husks, often discarded as waste, are being transformed into a variety of useful products. From car seat cushions to erosion control mats, to various applications in agriculture, coconut fibers are finding new life in sustainable applications. These fibers are strong, resistant to salt water, and biodegradable. Now, here's something you might not have heard of: nanocellulose. This material is derived from plant cellulose but processed at the nanoscale. The result is a material that's incredibly strong, lightweight, and transparent. Nanocellulose could be used in everything from flexible electronics to bulletproof glass. It's fully biodegradable, and can be produced from waste plant material. Another promising material comes from the ocean: chitin. This substance is found in the shells of crustaceans like shrimp and crabs. Scientists are using chitin to create biodegradable plastics, wound dressings, and even water filtration systems. It's a great way to turn seafood industry waste into valuable, sustainable products. Lastly, let's talk about a material that's been used for thousands of years but is finding new applications: clay. Advanced clay composites are being developed for use in everything from water purification to energy storage. These materials are abundant, inexpensive, and environmentally friendly. Some researchers are even exploring the use of clay in next-generation batteries. As we've seen, nature has provided us with an incredible array of sustainable materials. From mushrooms to spider silk, these innovations could transform industries and help us build a more sustainable future. The best part: we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. Who knows what other amazing materials we'll discover in the coming years? What sustainable material are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, the vision of a green and clean future is achievable with so many sustainable materials. If you found this video interesting, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on sustainability and innovation.